Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the 17-inch version of the Acer Nitro 5 and what's inside of it. On the inside, this laptop looks like the 15-inch Nitro 5 hiding in a bigger chassis. Nevertheless, you still got 12 Phillips head screws before you have access to the internals. After you undo them, you'll find it easier to start prying the bottom panel from one of the front corners. When it comes to the cooling, there are 3 heat pipes, one of them shared between the CPU and the GPU. Additionally, the components around both chips are cooled by 2 metal plates. What this laptop excels at, however, is upgradability. There are 2 RAM SODIMM slots, supporting up to 32 GB of DDR4 memory, while the storage consists of 2 M.2 slots and a 2.5-inch SATA drive bay. Lastly, the battery is the same 57.5 watt-hours unit, seen on the 15-inch version. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.